wasn't a really nice kid. My grandparents tried to grow me up in this. I can't. But I want to experience the world. Since that I have been back to school. Since I'm elder now, I decided that I'm going to start to seek for some education. Let me hasten to say what I'm going to say. I find myself among some others who were slow in some things like me. And the teacher tried her best. I tried their best with us. We learned when they were, but there was a part of subject that I knew nothing about. When I left school, those things were not being taught. Decimals and fraction. And there were